Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's lip combo of the day is going to be a nice little pinky mauve shade. So I started with my Makeup by Mario little set. This is one that I got in a Sephora birthday gift either this year or last year, I can't remember, but this is the lip pencil in rich mauve. And then we have the plumping lip serum in rosewood glow. And these actually, when you twist them up, they don't twist back down, so you have to be very careful with that. But this is the base of my combo, and then a little bit in the center I have a little bit of my Huda Beauty faux filler lip gloss. This one is in You Baby. This is that like baby pink that she had, and I just added a little bit in the center, and that is it. So I'm going for like a mauve pink today. So that is my lip combo for today. All right, you guys, in today's video, I am going to be doing my July project use it up video. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I want to use up or work through for the month of July. And then obviously I will do a video at the end of the month showing you guys what I used up. If you have not already checked out, go ahead and check out the one I did for June. I just posted my ending video. I'm going to get it where I do that ending video towards the end of the month and this video the first week of the month, because sometimes I get them both up a little late or back to back. So yeah, you guys, but if you guys want to see what I am using up or what I'm going to try to use up for July, then just keep watching, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the body scrub. So the first one I'm pulling out is going to be Victoria's Secret Pineapple and Shea Glow. So originally I was going to put pineapple fragrances in here or like a pineapple body wash and stuff, but I decided against it. I probably will do that for August, but I did want to get my pineapple fix, so I wanted to start. So this one is brand new. I got this one I think during SAS, so this is what it looks like. I did put my finger in here just to feel the consistency of this because I've never used this type of scrub, but I wanted to go ahead and add this just to give me a little bit of pineapple. I'm adding in here is the Tree Hut Passion Fruit Soul. This is not one of my favorite scents. I think I got this one from Walmart last year, and I don't know, it's just not my favorite, but it is kind of tropical, passion flower in it, so it is something very tropical. And I do have a couple things that might be tropical in here. Added to full sizes, and then I'm adding in a third just in case I get through those two full sizes, and that is going to be my Snowflakes and Cashmere Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. So I love the scent of Snowflakes and Cashmere. It's literally one of my favorite scents, but I hate the Exfoliating Glow Body Scrubs. I feel like they don't exfoliate enough. They're very light in texture, and I need something a little bit more abrasive. So this you will see again. I don't use this month, then we'll work on this, you know, moving into the fall. Like I said, I really like the scent of this. It's just the actual exfoliating I don't like. I don't like the glow ones, but this one isn't my favorite, so I only put that in here if I use up the other two. If I don't, I'm cool. For body washes, okay, so this first one is brand new, never been opened, and I have had it literally for months. I bought this months ago from, I think, Ulta. This is the Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. So I've had this for months, have never tried it, so I'm going to make it a priority to try and use this. Now if I don't use all of this up, I am cool with that. I just want to get some usage out of it because it's been sitting in my collection for months. And I do have a blue one that I bought with this one, and I've purchased that one twice already and have used that one. So yeah, I want to go ahead and give this one a try and at least try to get 50% of this used up so that I know that I'm using up my body washes, because I have a lot of body. Another body wash that I want to work through is my Trader Joe's Brazilian Nut Body Wash. So it looks like this. I am like halfway done with this one. I think I got this last year. Y'all know this is a dupe for Eau de Janeiro number 62, which I like, but it's not like my all-time favorite body wash ever. But I want to work through this. I need to use up, okay? Because I don't really like the scent all that much, okay? All right, then we have a Velvet Sugar, you guys, and this is from 2020, okay? So it needs to be used up, and I do like it. It's a strawberry type of scent. I think it has some velvet creme or something in here, some strawberries, some jasmine, some musk or something. I don't remember, but it does smell nice. But it's time to use her, okay? It's time to use her and be done with her. Very last body wash I'm adding in here that honestly, it breaks my heart to use it, but I need to use it because it's old, okay? It's from 2021. This is Cherry Limeade. This is juicy red cherries, candied lime, and sparkling citrus soda. Yeah, I need to use this. I need to use this because I love the scent of this so much. I just did a video talking about all of the fragrances that I would love Bath and Body Works to bring back. This is one of them. I feel like it doesn't get enough love. It is literally, if you've ever had a Sonic's Cherry Limeade like slushy drink, that is this in a bottle. So we definitely want to use her up. I love the way this smells, and I feel like this would be so good in the shower. So yeah. Now something else that I am putting in here is sunscreen. I'm trying to make it a priority to make sure I'm putting on my sunscreen, okay? So I have two. One you have already seen. This is the Bath and Body Works Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. This is the SPF 20. I had this on my project Use It Up for June. Obviously I'm going to finish this up for July. I'm down to here, so we are almost done, okay? And we're definitely going to the pool this weekend, so yeah. So I'm going to make it a priority to use that, as well as I want to make it a priority to use my Black Girl sunscreen. Y'all raved about this. This is the moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. Y'all raved about this last year, and I low-key think this broke my skin out, but I'm not 100% sure. I do have oily skin. I do have like some breakouts on my face, so I don't know if it's from this sunscreen or not. I feel like I had the same type of irritation last year when I used this on my face, so I am going to try it again on my face. But if nothing else, this is going to go on my body. And again, one more time for my face. I also have like a travel size of something else that I'm going to try, but that's not in here. But I'm trying to make a priority to use these up. So this one is literally like brand new. Only used it once or twice. Obviously the usage is shown in here. So we're going to be working through these this month for July, as well as whatever rolls over, because this is getting done for July. If this rolls over for August, we'll work on that in August as well, okay? A firecracker pop that I want to use up, okay? I don't really love the scent of firecracker pop. This is red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. I did think this would be really nice with the cherry limeade, even though it's not the same scent. I think it will still be nice. This body cream I am almost done with. As you can see, we are a little under halfway with this, and same with the spray. So we are like halfway with the spray. I want to work on using this up, the lotion completely 100%, and then the body spray as much as I can. Again, it's an okay scent, okay? I have like a specific amount. If I can get through half, that would be great. It's going to be the Groovy Watermelon as well as the Pink Watermelon Blast. These are literally the exact same things. This one came out in 2022. This was in 2023. Same scent notes: juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossom, and lime zest. So I want to work on using half of this up so we can get through this, okay? We're gonna try our best. But my Trader Joe's Brazilian nut butter. Yeah, I keep trying to get through this. I've been trying to get through this since last year. I think I used this a little bit last year. It's not enough gone, okay? It's not enough gone. This is one that is literally probably going to take months to get through, at least July and August. It's not even it's not even halfway done, y'all. It just got a little dip in the middle, but I don't love the scent of this all that much, if I'm being honest. This scent is just not my favorite, but it was one of the very first ones Trader Joe's made. I had backups on backups of this, so yeah, we're gonna work on using this up. If nothing else, it's gonna go by my bedside, and I'm gonna work on using this on my feet at night. Okay, so we'll see how we get. Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower beachy glow body lotion. So it's just a body lotion, but it's a glowy body lotion, and it's like a foam. Let me see if I can pump out just. See, it just so much comes out. It's so hard. Okay, like I shouldn't have did that, but I'm gonna just show you a little bit on this side. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's it right there. It's glowy as hell. And this is what it looks like. So it is really pretty on the skin. It gives kind of like a bronzy glow, and I think this look really cute if you're going like out with your arms. Like if I was going somewhere today and I had my arms out, I would wear it today on my skin. I have on this really cute maxi pink dress that I got from Target. Don't tell nobody, but yes, I went to Target. Okay, now the very last couple of products are actually minis. Okay, so I have 4 minis that I want to use up. This is the Love Always Wins. This is some sort of, what is this? It says vibrant citrus and sage. This is one. It's a nice clean spray, so for days that I don't want to smell like anything, just want to smell clean, here you go. As well as I got the Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise. So I do have this in full size, but I wanted to use up the mini, and it's going to help when I want to add a little bit something tropical, because y'all do know that even though these are the things that are in my project, I use other stuff. So there are going to be things on my perfume tray for July, if you haven't already seen that I can pair with this stuff. Okay, so I do want to use up this Pink Pineapple Sunrise, as well as I have 2 mini of the Sol de Janeiro. So I have a number 62. This is going to help with that Trader Joe's stuff, and let me smell it. Yeah, I like this scent. It's just not a love for me. It's not my all-time favorite scent, but I do really like this one, which is Rio Radiance, and this one is like the sunscreen scent. It has tuberose and cocoa or something in it. This actually smells really, really nice. I think if I use all of this up and I really enjoy it, I would purchase the full size of this. Y'all know they have number 39 coming out, right? I'm gonna get that this weekend. I'll be doing a ranking video, but yeah, you guys, so I definitely want to use both of those up. So you guys, excuse my dirty dresser. I'm about to clean it off, but I'm also putting this in here. This is the Bath and Body Works Cocoa Shea Moisture Oil. So this is the paper right here, but it always like slides off, so it's about halfway. I have it marked, so yeah, I'm adding this in my project as well. That is it. That is my project Use It Up for July. I feel like it's not a lot of stuff, but it's a nice amount of stuff that I got to get through. Enjoy this video, and if you enjoy more, there is a playlist of all the Use It Ups that I've already done over the years. And if you have not checked out already June's ending, don't forget to do that, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.